Hey guys, it's Evie with another acrylic pour, and I've run out of 8x10 canvases. So I'm going to, for the first time, try to reuse a canvas that I painted on. That the painting didn't turn out that great. All my yellow sunk to the bottom. So I'm going to use this canvas to paint. We'll see what happens, okay? Since we're reusing a canvas, let's reuse a cup. There we go. We're going to reuse this cup. So we're going to start off with white. Just a tiny bit of white at the bottom. I think my white is too thick. I think I need to thin out my white. And then we're going to do some turquoise. We'll put in a lot of that. And then we'll do some blue, dark blue. Okay, so now let's start all over. We'll put in some little bit of white, a little bit of turquoise, a little bit of the dark blue, and I'm going to cover the canvas. Now, I don't know how this is going to work because I've never done this before. But I'm trying to get the edges done so I don't have to tilt too much. Okay. Okay. So now let's flip. And now we're going to tilt it very, very slowly because I want to keep my cells. Oh, I don't want to lose the white up there. So we'll see how this dries. Okay. We will see how this dries, but okay, I need something to wipe my hands off on. Okay, now I think we need more blue because we're gonna leave. Whoa, that's a lot of blue. Okay, so I need some blue right here. Okay. Go a little bit. Okay. So let's move it a little bit. this little edge right here is not wanting to get covered. Oh, speaking of that, let's make sure my corners are covered. Okay. This is good. Let's see how it dries. I don't know how it's going to dry. I don't know if the paint will crack or what's going to happen because of painting over an old painting. Okay, let's get in a little closer.